Today, we're going to talk about something that sparks joy in so many of us, a clean and tidy home. Some days, it feels like an uphill battle against clutter, especially with a busy family life. My kitchen often looks like a bomb went off after I prepare a meal. Add 5 kids to my struggle to clean up after myself, and you have a recipe for a TLC special. But don't worry, there's hope. I've developed a system for maintaining a tidy home, even amidst the whirlwind of daily life. Today I'm sharing my speed cleaning process to help you conquer messes every single day. Our first step is deceptively simple, yet incredibly powerful. Take a moment to look around the room. Do you see items that don't belong in this space? A child's toy abandoned on the coffee table, perhaps? Or a stray sock that missed its way to the laundry basket? Take a few minutes to gather these misplaced belongings. Return the toy to the toy basket, the sock to the laundry hamper, and so on. Remember, a home for everything and everything in its place. This simple act prevents clutter from accumulating and transforms a chaotic space into one of order and tranquility. If an item doesn't have a designated space, don't worry, we'll address that soon. For now, focus on reuniting these lost items with their rightful homes. And remember the 1-minute rule. If you can put something away in under a minute, do it immediately. Now that we've returned our wandering items to their designated homes, let's address those items that seem to lack a permanent address. These are the nomads of our homes, the belongings that haven't quite found their tribe. Perhaps it's a stack of magazines on the kitchen counter, or a collection of toiletries overflowing from the bathroom cabinet. These homeless items can create a sense of visual chaos and contribute to feelings of overwhelm. But fear not, for every item can find a home, even if it means creating one from scratch. Take a moment to examine these homeless items. Do they spark joy? Do they serve a purpose in your life? If the answer is yes, then it's time to designate a specific space for them. Invest in some stylish storage containers, baskets, or drawer dividers. However, if these items no longer spark joy or serve a purpose, perhaps it's time to bid them farewell. Letting go can be difficult, but it's also incredibly liberating. Now that we've addressed the clutter and found homes for our belongings, it's time to tackle the dust bunnies. Dusting may seem like a mundane chore, but it can be incredibly therapeutic when approached with the right mindset. Think of it as a gentle caress for your furniture, a way of showing appreciation for the objects that fill your home. When dusting, it's essential to work from top to bottom. Start with the highest surfaces like ceiling fans, light fixtures, and the tops of bookshelves. As you work your way down, the dust will naturally fall to the lower surfaces, which we'll address later. For delicate surfaces, use a soft, dry cloth. Microfiber cloths are excellent at trapping dust and can be easily laundered. For thicker dust, consider dampening your cloth slightly. Remember, a clean home is not just about appearances, it's about creating a sanctuary, a space where you can relax, recharge, and feel truly at peace. Now that our surfaces are free of dust, it's time to tackle dirt and grime. But before you reach for a different cleaning product for every surface, let me introduce you to the power of simplicity, using one versatile cleaning product for multiple areas. Yes, you heard that right. Having a go-to, all-purpose cleaner simplifies your cleaning routine and reduces the number of products cluttering your cabinets. When choosing an all-purpose cleaner, opt for one with natural ingredients and a fresh, clean scent. You can even make your own using simple ingredients like vinegar, water, and essential oils. With your all-purpose cleaner in hand, you can now tackle a variety of surfaces, from countertops and sinks to appliances and even floors. Simply spray the cleaner on the surface, allow it to sit for a moment to loosen any dirt or grime, and then wipe clean with a damp cloth. By simplifying your cleaning routine and embracing the power of one, you'll save time, money, and reduce your environmental impact. We've tackled clutter, dusted surfaces, and embraced the power of one with our all-purpose cleaner. But what about those stubborn stains that refuse to budge? Fear not, for even the most persistent grime is no match for the right cleaning arsenal. For those tougher cleaning challenges, it's time to bring out the big guns, specialized cleaning products designed to tackle specific stains and grime. Whether it's a baked-on mess in the oven, a stubborn stain on the carpet, or mildew in the bathroom, there's a product designed to make your cleaning task easier. However, it's important to choose these products carefully. Opt for environmentally friendly options whenever possible, and always follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. One effective method for tackling stubborn stains is the soak and walk away approach. Apply the cleaning product to the affected area, allowing it to penetrate and loosen the stain. When you return, the cleaning product will have done most of the work for you, making it easier to wipe away the stain and reveal a sparkling, clean surface. As we approach the final stage of our speed cleaning journey, let's turn our attention to the seemingly insignificant details that can make a world of difference in the overall appearance and feel of our home's straightening. While it may seem like a small step, the act of straightening can transform a space from chaotic to composed, from cluttered to calm. Start by taking a look around the room. Are there any throw blankets that need folding, pillows that need fluffing, magazines or books that need stacking neatly? These small actions, though seemingly insignificant on their own, create a sense of order and intentionality that elevates the entire space. Fold blankets with care, creating crisp lines and smooth surfaces. Fluff pillows, restoring their plumpness and inviting comfort. Arrange books and magazines neatly, creating a sense of visual harmony. The act of straightening is not about achieving perfection, but about creating a space that feels loved and cared for. Congratulations! You've now mastered the art of speed cleaning, transforming your home into a haven of peace and order. Remember, a clean home is a happy home. With these speed cleaning tips, you can conquer the chaos and enjoy a more organized space. Embrace the power of tidying, decluttering, and creating a space that sparks joy in every corner. The most important thing is to find joy in the process and create a space that reflects your unique personality and brings you a sense of peace and well-being. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more cleaning hacks and tips.